Goldilocks and the Three Puppies, written by Plep A. Once upon a time, there were three cute puppies named Big Paws, Medium Paws, and Tiny Paws. They lived in a little house in the woods and loved to play chase their tails and eat chicken nuggets. One day, the puppies went for a walk with their parents. They left the door unlocked in case someone come to visit. In the forest, a curious girl named Goldilocks was walking around. She loved to explore and meet new friends. When she smelled something yummy, she followed the smell and found the puppy dog's house. Goldilocks knocked on the door. "Hello, is anyone home?" she asked. When no one answered, she peeked inside and saw the 3 bowls of chicken nuggets. She was so hungry and she couldn't wait to try them. She tried the first bowl of chicken nuggets. "Oh no, it's too hot," blowing on the nuggets. Then she tried the second bowl. "Brr, it's too cold," she said, shivering. Finally, she tried the third bowl. Perfect," she said, happily eating it. The chicken nuggets. But then the puppies came back. They wagged their tails and they looked in their bowls. "Who eated my chicken nuggets?" Big Boss barked. "Who ate my chicken nuggets?" Medium Boss. "Who ate my chicken nuggets and finished them all?" asked Tiny Paws. Goldilocks felt shy. "Sorry, puppies. I did not mean to eat all your nuggets. I just smelled them and I couldn't stop." The puppies smiled and wagged their tails. "That's okay," said Big Paws. "We have more chicken nuggets and we love making new friends." The puppies shared their nuggets with Goldilocks and they played together. They had so much fun running and laughing all day. From then on, Goldilocks and the 3 puppies were the best of friends and were every time Goldilocks went in the woods, she visited for more chicken nuggets. The end. Written by Prep A. Thank you for listening.